In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling in Figma, both horizontally and vertically. Whether you're designing a sleek mobile app interface or a complex web layout, incorporating smooth scrolling is an essential skill to master. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Figma website. Figma, as you might know, is a collaborative interface design tool that allows you to create, share, and collaborate on design projects in real time. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you'll be on your way. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. Here, take a moment to navigate through your files and locate the project to which you want to add scrolling. After choosing your project, click on Design from the top menu. This will take you to the design workspace where all the magic happens. Now, let's move on to setting up your frame. In your design workspace, select the frame where you want to implement scrolling. If you don't have a frame yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Frame tool located in your toolbar. This tool is critical as it allows you to define the layout into which all other elements will fall. Next, you'll want to switch over to the Prototype tab, which you can find at the top of the right-hand panel. In this mode, you can set the device you're designing for by choosing from a list of preset devices. This is important because your scroll behavior options may vary based on the device dimensions you select. Now for the part you've been waiting for, adding scrolling. With your frame selected and prototype mode active, find scroll behavior in the right hand panel. Here you can set your scroll options. You can choose horizontal scrolling, vertical scrolling, or both if you're looking for multi-directional freedom. This flexibility allows you to create a more dynamic and interactive user experience in your design. And that's it. You've added scrolling to your Figma project. Remember, scrolling can dramatically change the way users interact with your design, so feel free to experiment with different settings until you find the combination that best suits your project. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it with others who might benefit from learning how to add scrolling in Figma. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.